Homemade Sago't Gulaman by French Sheep Menu. Here are the ingredients: brown sugar, water, unflavored gelatin powder, red, white small pearl, and vanilla extract. First, we will make our gulaman. Put 3 cups of water into a pot and gradually add the gelatin. Stir thoroughly until the gelatin is evenly dissolved in the water. Add 1/4 cup of sugar, then continue stirring. Once done, filter the gelatin while transferring in a clean container and set aside and let it cool. While waiting, let's make our gulaman juice. Put 3 cups of brown sugar into a pot. Add 3 cups of water. And mix it until it is evenly blended. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix it and let it simmer for a while. Cut the cooled gelatin into small cubes respectively. In a glass, add some white pearl, crushed ice, gulaman cubes, and pour the gulaman juice into the glass. Serve as a refreshment. Enjoy! Again, here's your homemade Sago't Gulaman by French Sheep Menu. Thank you for watching!